Now, the global development of fintech has been booming over the past few years, as Stephen mentioned. I'm not going to repeat his number, but they're all true. According to the latest report by Accenture, the global investment in fintech venture reached $22.3 billion in last year, 2015. This was a 75% increase over 2014. As one of the major international financial centers, Hong Kong has a vibrant local fintech sector. In addition to our local innovators, 48 of the global top 100 fintech companies are operating in Hong Kong. Over the years, Hong Kong SAR government has been supporting and facilitating the development of fintech in Hong Kong. For example, Cyberport has become the home of Accenture's FinTech Innovation Lab Asia Pacific since 2014. We are the third host city for the company to set up such an innovation lab after New York and London. This project is a good example of international collaboration in the development of fintech in Hong Kong. Now, apart from this incubation program, Cyberport also launched its university partnership program in 2015 to cultivate fintech talents. Last year, 18 project teams and 52 students were nominated by 5 local universities to join the entrepreneurship boot camp with focus on fintech in Silicon Valley, arranged by the Stanford Graduate School of Business. Another group of 56 students will attend the boot camp this year, later this month. In addition, Cyberport has operated a new fintech co-working space and is rolling out a designated program to provide support to about 150 fintech startups within the next 5 years. Cyberport has just also launched a $200 million Hong Kong dollars macro fund for investing in its technology startups, and this will attract probably more funding from other investors as well. In addition, the Applied Science Technology Research Institute, known as ASTRI, our flagship ICT R&D center, will continue to promote the application of fintech in collaboration with the regulatory authority, the industry, academia, and the R&D sector. The ASTRI Security Laboratory provides services in cybersecurity intelligence sharing, assessment, consulting services, training, and R&D. To further strengthen our advantage in the fintech front, in February this year, the Steering Group on Financial Technology, chaired by the Secretary for Financial Services and the Treasury, released its report with further recommendation to develop and promote Hong Kong as a fintech hub. In this year's budget, the Financial Secretary has announced a number of measures for early implementation of the Steering Group's recommendations. These include the setting up of fintech platforms under the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, the Securities Futures Commissions, and the Office of the Commissioner of Insurance to enhance communication between the regulators and the fintech community. Now, before the summer break, we successfully secured the funding approval of the Legislative Council Finance Committee to establish a 2 billion Hong Kong dollars Innovation and Technology Venture Fund. The government will co-invest with global venture capital funds in our local startups on a matching basis, which means a total of 6 billion Hong Kong dollars at least will be made available to support our aspiring local startups, including fintech startups. I'm confident that with Hong Kong's competitive advantage, including a sound legal system, a robust intellectual property protection, and a world-class ICT infrastructure, and most importantly, a pro-business environment with level playing field for all players, Hong Kong is well positioned to take advantage of the global development trend in fintech. Now, lastly, I would like to encourage more businesses, entrepreneurs, and investors from the United States to come to Hong Kong. I believe our vibrant technology ecosystems offer a conducive environment for both startups and established businesses. As a superconductor between the mainland of China and the rest of the world, Hong Kong is the ideal springboard to expand into this part of the world and the huge mainland market. And as Stephen just mentioned, that this is where the action is for the next 5 years. I wish the forum a great success and look forward to exchanging view with the other speakers and the audience in the Q&A session, which will come up. Thank you very much.